Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will teach you how to draw a house. Hi friends, do you like to draw? Yes, so let's draw with me. You can draw a line here. So, next step you can draw a line here. Okay, you draw this and connect this part. Good job, friend. Next step, you draw this point and draw this line and this line. Next step, you draw another line and connect. Here. Good job, friend. Next step, you draw a circle here and draw this line. Nice. Next step, you draw a window like this and connect. Next step, you draw this line. Whoa, so cute drawing. Next step, you draw a line here and draw this and okay, good job, friends. Next step, you draw this line and down. Good job. Go ahead. Draw this line and next step, you draw this line and connect. Good job. Next step, you draw the door. Draw this and the door and draw a circle here. Now we'll draw a window here. Whoa, so cute drawing. Next step, you draw this line and this line. So cute. You can draw like this and like this. Whoa. Nice drawing. You can draw like this and like this. Draw a circles. Whoa, so nice. I finished this drawing and I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and watch all the videos. This channel have a videos every single day. If you like this video, yes, so don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. See you the next video. Bye.